How to convert a formula to a value in LibreOffice Calc. LibreOffice Calc is a free open source spreadsheet program that's quite similar to Microsoft Excel. It has many of the same features, functions, and user interface as Microsoft Excel, but it's not exactly the same. So what's the problem that I'm talking about here? I want to share this table with someone who's not in my company. I don't want them to know who my vendors actually are. They're over here. The way I find this information out here is the vendor is actually a formula, right? So it looks up in this coding table here and says if Geagle is in my actual accounting records, I'm going to put in vendor 1. If Nerdbook is in my accounting records, I'm going to put in vendor 2. So the person I'm sharing this with is never going to know who my vendors actually are. So once I've got this set up, I want to share this information as a text table or a spreadsheet file with someone. What happens if I copy it? The problem is I copy the formula here. I don't copy the actual name here, the code name. What I want to copy is the code name. So undo the copy. All right, so I'm going to select this again. And I'm going to do something slightly different, which is what I'm explaining. I go to Edit, I go to Paste Special, I go again to Paste Special. Now you have all kinds of options here. The one I really care about is I want values. Now when I click on this, notice it's vendor 1. It's not a formula. I just get the output of the formula. So now I have an entirely encoded sales ledger that I can share with someone. Could be an attorney, a financial analyst, wide range of people. I don't want them to know the names of my vendors. I don't want them to know the names of my customers. There are many pieces of information that I might want to hide through this method. Again, just to quickly remind people of what you do, in this particular case, if you have some table and it has a bunch of formulas in it, you go to Edit, you click or select Paste Special menu, submenu item, you go to Space Special again, there's a shortcut, Control-Shift-V, and then you're going to click on Values Only. How to convert a formula to a value in LibreOffice Calc. Let me just show the version of LibreOffice used here. This is LibreOffice 24.2.5.2. And let me just demonstrate that it's up to date on the date when this video is created. All right, it's up to date. So that concludes how to convert a formula to a value in LibreOffice Calc.